Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos to your Telegram profile step by step. Telegram lets you upload several profile photos so you can keep a collection and switch between them whenever you like. So let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once Telegram opens, click on the menu icon in the top left corner. From the menu, click on Settings. At the top of the Settings page, click on your profile photo. Next, click on the camera icon or Edit Profile depending on your version of Telegram. Then, choose Upload Photo. Browse your computer and select the photo you want to add. After selecting the image, adjust the crop if needed, then click Save. To add another profile photo, click on your profile photo again. Select the Add Photo option or click the plus icon if available. Choose another image from your computer. Repeat the same steps for any additional photos you want to add. Telegram will save all of your uploaded profile photos in your profile history. You can switch between them by opening your profile photo and selecting the one you want to use as your current profile picture. If you no longer need a photo, open it and choose the option to delete it. And that's it. You've successfully added multiple photos to your Telegram profile. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.